Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right hand side, and you should see a settings cog on the top right, so just click on there. Once you're on here, you should see personal details near the top, so tap on that. Then if you scroll down underneath account settings, you should see personal details again. So you want to click on that. And then you want to select account ownership and control. And then it should give you the option of deactivation or deletion. So you want to tap on there. And just make sure you select your Facebook profile. And then you'll have two options to either deactivate or delete your account. So obviously you want to select delete your account. So make sure that's selected. Then select continue. Then you can pick a reason if you want. And select continue again. And you can read through this information if you wish to do so, and then press continue. And again, there's some more information you can go through. Obviously just read through all that if you wish to do so. And again, press continue. And all you'll have to do is enter in your password and select continue, and your Facebook account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.